If you're searching for a Cook online mock test, you're already thinking ahead. Preparing the right way can make a big difference when exam day arrives. And if it's been a while since you last wrote a test, that's completely normal. Here's the thing. Many skilled cooks learn almost everything on the job. That hands-on experience is exactly what the Journeyman exam is built to assess. The challenge is getting comfortable with the exam format. The Cook Online mock test is designed to mirror real testing conditions. You might see multiple choice questions that focus on real kitchen situations. Topics often include food safety, sanitation, nutrition, cooking methods, equipment, and menu planning. Some questions are straightforward, while others are based on short scenarios. Most Journeyman level exams include around 100 to 150 questions. You're usually given 3.5 to 4 hours to complete them. That means pacing and focus are just as important as knowing the material. A good study approach starts with understanding what the mock test is for. It's not just about checking your score, it's about learning how the questions are asked. Mock tests help train your brain to think the way the exam expects. Start by breaking your studying into sections. Think food safety, kitchen operations, cooking techniques, ingredients, and nutrition basics. Studying in short, focused sessions works better than long cram sessions. Consistency beats last-minute studying every time. Food safety is always a major focus. You might see questions about contamination, storage temperatures, or cleaning procedures. When studying safety, think about why rules exist, not just what they are. Understanding the reasoning makes answers easier to choose. Cooking techniques are another key area. Expect questions related to methods like roasting, braising, sautéing, and baking. Link these questions to what you do every day in the kitchen. Real-life connections make studying faster and more effective. Time management is where mock tests really help. Many people rush early and run out of focus later. Practicing with a Cook Online mock test helps you find a steady pace. It teaches you when to move on instead of getting stuck. Confidence is just as important as knowledge. Many cooks second-guess themselves during exams. Mock testing builds familiarity, and familiarity builds confidence. The more comfortable the format feels, the calmer you'll be on exam day. Here's a simple test day strategy. Answer the questions you're confident in first. Mark tougher questions and return to them later. When unsure, eliminate wrong answers before choosing the best option. It's also important to remember that exam requirements can vary by state or authority. Always review your local guidelines so you know what's emphasized. Even so, core cooking skills remain consistent across the country. If you want added structure during your prep, study tools can help. At journeymanstudyguide.com, Q&A books let you test your knowledge quickly. Explanation-style resources help you understand why an answer is correct. Online time tests help simulate real exam pressure. No study tool guarantees a pass, but the right tools can make studying more efficient and less stressful. They help you focus on weak areas instead of guessing where you stand. This certification is about more than just passing an exam. Journeyman cooks often see better job stability and higher earning potential. Many move into supervisory roles, teaching positions, or open their own businesses. The credential supports long-term career growth. If you're returning to studying after years away, you're not behind. If you're new to the US system, your experience still matters. Thousands of cooks write this exam every year and feel the same nerves. If using a Cook Online mock test is part of your plan, start today with one session. Review your results, learn from mistakes, and adjust your study focus. Repeat that process consistently, and confidence will build naturally. And when you want guided support, journeymanstudyguide.com is there to help you prepare with clarity and confidence.